Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to generate random numbers in Excel. Why would you want to know how to generate numbers in Excel? Okay, you may want to write many random numbers, but it's tired and unprofessional. So today I am going to show you how to generate random number in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First, we stop in the cell and type equal, then press R A N D. Choose that choice. Rand between. Press on the keyboard Tab. Okay, now type the bottom number, something like 20, then comma. Now the top number, something like 50, then closed. Press enter in the keyboard. He will generate a random number. Now we take it from here and then take it to down. That easy, we generate a random numbers in many cells. Here we go. If you want to know how to generate random numbers in Excel, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.